What's up, guys? This is Kitchen Confidence, and this is our bedroom, or what's kind of left. We're getting rid of this right here, bedroom set. Got some my former coworkers, because I have now quit. They're gonna come pick this up, and we've just got a couple boxes here and some, you know, what is this? Emergency survival backpacks and stuff. There's our cat. This has been his room for the entire time we've lived here, 6 years, and he's still kind of hanging on. He keeps coming in here and laying down, even though all of his little things that keeps him really comfortable, they're all gone now. But this is the shower, bathroom. We've cleared out a lot of the garage here, and we're leaving the shelving, this TV. So we got my grill over there. I'm giving that away too. This miter saw as well. The pod that we are renting, or we're using, is supposed to fit for a 4-bedroom house, but it's not. Honestly, it's not working for us, which sucks. So that's why we're leaving a lot of our furniture behind. But there's our kitchen, and we emptied it all out. This used to be dark brown. We painted it white. We got this awesome dishwasher, awesome stove, the stove that you guys seen me do all my cooking from, and here's our awesome fridge, LG fridge and dishwasher. The dishwasher is awesome because it plays a song when it's done. It's really sweet. Gonna miss that. Just got a couple little things hanging around here, and everything's emptied out. This was the dining room. All our little cookbooks and stuff was there, all packed away. Kind of just slumming it right now. Bed. We're gonna toss the bed, get rid of that. Bookcase, we're gonna get rid of that. Probably gonna leave it behind. There's entertainment center. We still got internet. My guitar. Got my fishing gear. TV stand. TV's already put away, and this is where this is my first house, and it's starting to get sentimental a little bit, but moving on to bigger, better things. This entire bedroom set is gonna stay here. Well, it's not a set. We made it. My wife made it like this. Beautiful. But they're gonna have that. The new buyers are gonna have that. This was my editing office. This chair. This is the chair I sat in and fell asleep editing my YouTube videos. So many times. That was weird. I don't know if you guys heard that sound. And this is my wife's office. 2 bookcases right here. There were 2 more right there, and then her office. This is an awesome, awesome desk, but we're leaving it behind, and actually somebody might be snagging that. Nice, beautiful rocking chair with the ottoman. That was my bathroom. This bathroom was nice. It was my bathroom. Decked it out. All fishing stuff. But just cleaned it out empty now. And yeah, but this is it. We got a couple days left. And we're out of here. We'll be leaving on Wednesday, and we'll be on the road, and then by the end of the week, we will be in, I'm sorry about this filming, guys. But we'll be out in Texas by the end of this week. So yeah, it's been a good house. But you know, this is a big step for us to head out, and you know, it's gonna be tough. I think it's gonna be tough when we leave. And oh, and by the way, here's a little behind the scenes. This is my tripod I used to film a lot of my YouTube videos, and this is a note my wife made for me because I used to shoot a lot of the videos and forget to turn my mic on. Then I'd have to reshoot everything. So that was a message for me. But yeah, guys, this is no longer the recording studio of Kitchen Confidence. What is it, boy? Well, it's been great, and next time we'll be on the road or we'll be in Texas, but I'm gonna do some vlogs on the way and keep you guys all caught up and stuff. But until then, I hope you guys are hanging tight, and see you next time. Remember, Kitchen Confidence starts with you.